As you can see, a lot of leaves on the top. All right, good morning YouTube. Precision Pressure Wash, back at you with another one. We're down here in Kissimmee, Florida today, and this is what we got going on. Our last video, we did a splash pad that was next door. This one's totally different, guys. We got to get up under here and get this clean. I don't know how long that's going to take. My helper's not here at the moment. He is coming later. But we got this big job today. We got this screen enclosure, pool deck. You can see right there, we're gonna have to cover that. But we also got a house wash here. We're also gonna be washing off this furniture and just really giving this deck a good clean. It's been raining here for about 4 days in a row. The sun's finally out and it's freezing. I know it's not as cold as up north, but it's cold for us. We're not built for this. Got a low spot right here. I'm gonna try to save the pool deck for when my helper comes. I'll have him for a couple hours today before he has to go back to work. Probably start out here, do this driveway. We did do this sidewalk leading up over here, as you can see the other day when I had a few hours. The rain's been screwing us up. But as you guys can see, you probably can't see because my camera sucks. Soffits, real dirty. Fascia, dirty. Walkway, dirty. It does have rust stains on it. But look right here, guys. Look at that. It's like that all the way around. I'm glad we got the sidewalk done the other day. We didn't film it. We were in a hurry. We got the blue door. Probably rinse this stuff off with just water. No soap on that. Windows are real dirty. Ceilings definitely need a clean. A lot of stuff to tape up here. Then coming around the side. The wind is going to be a little bit of a thing today, guys, which sucks because that means I'm going to get covered in it. But it's Friday. Been sitting on my hands all week at the house dying to get these jobs done. Today we're gonna do it. I'll probably hit this pad too, guys, just because that's what I do. But that's it. That's the job. For me, this is gonna be the killer, guys, because I'm probably gonna have to take all these apart, or a lot of them. We'll see though. Hopefully when my helper shows up, he's in a good mood and ready to kick some ass. Nice pool, guys. We're like 5 minutes away from Disney. That's why everything out here is Disney themed. Traffic's horrible though. All right, guys, stay tuned while I try to figure out everything, how I'm gonna attack this. And then once I figure all that stuff out, you're gonna see what's going on. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm gonna start with the pre-treat. All right, guys, done with the pre-treat. Now I'm gonna go ahead, probably let it sit for a few more minutes, guys, just because of how cold it is. But that's everything treated. I'm gonna start surface cleaning up here, work my way down the walkway, and then finish the driveway. We did this sidewalk the other day just because of the weather, and I knew I was gonna have to get ahead of stuff. All right, guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, my helper's finally here, and this is the first time I've been wearing shorts in like a week, so life is good. We're gonna try to get this splash pad done. I 5% pump up sprayed it. Once I can get this good, then we can go back to just doing regular stuff, so stay tuned, guys. This is not like the other splash pad. I like the other one better. It looks like they used to have one like this though.
Alright, y'all, we're just pre-wetting the enclosure right now, as you can see with the X-Jet. As you can see, a lot of leaves on the top. Alright, y'all, we're applying the SH now. First doing the outside, then the inside.
Guys, we don't got no surfactant.
Nope. We're just going straight SH because, as we've said in prior videos, if you use surfactant, we're trying to clean a screen enclosure, you're going to be cleaning the screens. Yeah. Because the soap gets all in the screens and it's just a nightmare to rinse.
All right, guys. Long day. Hard job. I'm gonna have to hose that a little bit. It's dripping from the gutter. But here we are. Finished product. The deck definitely took a long time. Splash pad was a nightmare. Drain doesn't work in it. So I did what I could do. This stuff here is from these black rubber wheels. Over time they've been leaving marks. Can't get that up. Here's the splash pad, guys. Drain does not work. I mean, it's cleaned up really good, but you see that. All this got cleaned out here. Here's the front. Glass looking good. Still wet. Everything came out good, guys. Some of the soffits were old and oxidized, so I couldn't get the black off. Like that right there. All this got washed off. This got done. Yeah, sometimes, guys, I'm just not happy with the way it comes out. Just because you can't make it perfect. Like, that stuff ain't coming off. I don't know what that was. I think the old gutters were there covering it. But yeah, guys, that's it. Long day. Helper came late, but he did come. Till the next one. Late.